Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the glove box back panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter frame by pulling it down, then out. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1050 filter into the frame, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame. Push it upwards so that it stays in place. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the back panel. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.